No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
Hello there.
Saved.
Hey, what happened?
I'm joking. Stop! 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 Stop the brake! Stop! 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 My name is Jeff.
Kill him, I'll give you money. How much? What's the bounty on me team killing this guy and looking at his reaction?
Hello, your computer has virus.
LEROY JENKINS!
Hello guys, welcome to my Minecraft Let's Play. And today we are going to be mining for diamonds and hopefully maybe some iron ore. Okay, let's go outside now and maybe see if there's some pigs around that we can kill for our meat. Oh look, cookies, there's a trail of cookies. Let's go see if there's something at the end of the trail of the cookies. Okay guys, I have a bad feeling about this. It's going into some sort of random cave. Oh, there's diamonds! There's diamonds! 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 Guys, go to the cave. Diamonds! Press for more 3 dias. Okay, let's go press the button now.
Save Pakistan and destroy India.
Go, go!